Greetings, Canuarians! We gather here for my first video of Canuary 2025. Yes, we do. And I'm going to make pickled peppers and onions. Pickled peppers and onions. Pickled peppers and onions. Not bad. And it's from the new Ball Book of Canning. And I've never made this one. It is on page 215. That's 215, right? Okay, so I'm gathering my ingredients. I have sanitized my countertop. I am ready to rumble this. This is going to be great. So here is our ingredient gathering. Now, Vern found a sale on peppers. It was a 3-pack, red, orange, yellow. We grow them. We also get them on sale, and then I freeze them in my sucky bags, the out of air bags. So I've got red, yellow, orange, okay? We got to have some white vinegar and purple onions. So, I got to read the instructions and then do some stuff. And then I'll come back and show you the stuff that I did, because this is new to me. Look at this. Look at it in the sandwich. Shut the front door. I want to get me some of that. Yes, I do. Okay. I'll be back when I figure out what the heck I'm supposed to do. Stand by. So regarding our red onions, we need 2 cups of thick, vertically sliced red onions. Vertically sliced. Good Lord. Okay, so we're going to use our mandolin on the thick blade. And we're going to do this first, and then we'll slice these in half. And then they'll be vertical. So because we have to have them vertical, and I have circles, we're just going to chop these in half. Heck yeah. Now, they're standing up. Okay, so first I got to get me 2 cups of these. And then we have to put them in that orange bowl full of ice water. So, okay, you're a circle. You're not allowed to be a circle. You have to be vertical. There are rules. Okay. Ooh, it's nice that these are not white or yellow and burning my eyes. All right, we've got ourselves 2 cups here. Now, it tells me to dump them in a bowl with ice water for 10 minutes, following the Ball Book of the recipe. Okay, this ain't hard so far. I can manage this. You can too. While the onions are having an ice bath, we're going to get our peppers. So not hard to do. Right on. So cute. All right, and we want long vertical slices, just like I normally do them before I freeze them. So my 3 fresh peppers are here. The ones I took out of my sucky bags are laying on a clean junk towel that I keep. And remember, when we take the onions out, it says to lay them out on a towel. So I have another junky junker, but it's clean. So this is not so hard so far. We're just waiting for stuff to come together. Yes, we are. Canning. Easy peasy. Okay, I put the onions through my colander. Now we're going to put them on the towel. Get them. Here they come now. Oh, yeah. Okay. So it says, like I ain't got little tiny onion towels, people. So we're going to lay them out here. Darn, that's 2 colanders. Good Lord. Goodness. Okay, here's our instructions. Focus. Why are y'all crooked? I can't help that right now. We're on a mission. We soak the onions in water, ice water. Okay. We're going to drain them, pat them dry. We're going to toss together the peppers and the onions. And now we have to go to the stove where we get our vinegar mixture going. That's right. Following instructions. Reading is not hard. Y'all a little crooked. I don't know why. I actually have a bubble level and it shows crooked. Oh, you'll be all right. It's like a spa for peppers and onions. The massage therapist will be by at any moment. Oh, yeah. Look at the colors, people. So I took another junk towel and I smushed it over these. And now we need to mix these together. But I don't know if this bowl is big enough. Okay, we're going to toss them around like we do with meatloaf. And then I'll take you to the stove and show you what I had to do over there. It ain't hard. And then we're going to get to putting these in our canning jars, and we're using 4-jar lids. Why? Because they never fail to seal. All right, following along with our instructions is, let's see. Okay, bring vinegar and the next 4 ingredients to a boil. And the next 4 ingredients were 4 cups of white vinegar, 4 cups of water, 1.5 cups of sugar, and 1/2 cup salt, pickling, and preserving salt. So I'm going to bring this to a boil. I've got my canner getting hot because we're going to be ladling hot liquid. We need to do it into hot jars. And okay, we came to a boil. So now I'm going to bring it over here and put it on a towel to protect my countertop. It's in here. See, canning is not hard. Videoing canning is hard. Okay? All right, so first we need a hot jar, E. Because they are important. So our instructions tell us to tightly pack the vegetables in here. It's only 4 pints. Okay, so now we got to figure out how to tightly pack and if we need to redistribute before we put in our liquid. Okay, hot. Why you got to be so hot? Pokey Joe. Now, we must determine we are evenly distributed. Words can be hard. Okay, I think we got to take a little orange number, a little onion. Ow, why you got to be so hot? Okay, that appears to me, you may not be able to tell because you're crooked, but, oh, that's an onion skin that escaped. Okay, so there's our 4 jars. So we're rocking. Now we got to add our hot liquid, okay? Let me make sure from the instructions I'm doing this correctly. It's my maiden voyage with peppers and onions. Okay, it is time for ladling to commence. Yes, it is. Hot pot. Where's our funnel? Start on this one. Let's turn our pot this way. Get our, I reckon it's a pickling liquid, I ain't sure. Okay, so let's take them one at a time to get this correct. So, I'm going to pokey Joe with my funnel so that this liquid can get down there. All the way to the bottom. Gosh, these colors are beautiful. Okay, so now, see, that shows us we got to add mas. And I can see my 1/2 inch mark here on this side. I like this because it shows on both sides. Okay, let's pokey Joe one more time just to be sure. Safety! Headspace matters. So first thing we're going to do is wipe down the rim of our jar to make sure nothing can interfere with our 4-jar lid, like a little piece of onion skin or something we could miss, or a little piece of that cayenne. Ain't nobody know what could be on there. And if I didn't say it, make sure you wash your peppers before you start doing this. You ain't got no idea who all has touched that in the store, and it is not hard to wash them at all. Why is this one so sassy? There, sink. Okay, let's wipe this rim again. Get our magic wand and take this off now. Hot lids. We know that is wiped off. You know I do the loose wrist method. Get it on there, twist till my fingers don't go back, and I'll do the rest of it. Of course, I had to run out of memory, but you've seen me put stuff in a canner before. So let's take a look. Oh, the colors are still pretty. Let me get them to their resting place.